How to buy Telegram Premium. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll simply guide you on how you can actually buy Telegram Premium, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to buy premium on Telegram, all you have to do is simply go ahead and first of all launch the Telegram application. Then you have to tap the three lines icon from the top left hand side of the screen. Then you want to go to settings. Once you go to settings, just scroll down. Here you'll find this purple star icon that says Telegram Premium. So just tap on Telegram Premium. Here you'll be able to see the price along with the monthly price and the annual price, which will give you 40% discount on the Telegram Premium version. And over here you'll be able to see all the benefits of the Telegram Premium. All you need to do is tap on the subscribe button, which is at the bottom of the screen. It allows you to simply add your payment method, so go ahead and add a credit or debit card. Once you add a credit or debit card to your account, then you will successfully purchase the Telegram Premium. This is how you can purchase Telegram Premium. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video.